Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Nitro subscription on Discord. And yes, it's really easy to do, so make sure to stick around so you don't miss any steps. So first, open your Chrome browser and go to discord.com. So once you're on the official Discord website, click on the login button and sign into your account. After logging in, to remove your subscription in your mobile device, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and click on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. In the settings menu, look for Nitro section and tap on it. So once you're in your Nitro subscription page, you'll see an option to cancel. Go ahead and click on the cancel button. Now, you'll be asked to confirm your cancellation, so just follow the prompts and confirm again if needed. And once that's done, your Discord Nitro subscription will be cancelled. And that's it. Thanks for watching!